Hello, I am Jairam. In a series of providing logic-based programs, as I have discussed all the different types of concepts in C program language in my previous sessions. Now I decided to provide some logic-based programs which will help you all while facing an interview or while developing a software, which will help these logic-based programs will help you a lot. That's why I am providing these logic-based programs, and I have discussed some logic-based programs in my previous session. If you want that session, please subscribe my channel Jairam Turlapati. So in this session 2, I am going to provide some logic-based programs. Let's see one by one. Here in this session, the first logic-based program is program to find the sum of all natural numbers. How to find the sum of all natural numbers? This is my program. Here I have included the basic header files, stdio.h and conio.h. Next, here I have taken a main method. It is of integer type. That means this main method going to return some value. And here I have taken a play screen in order to clear the screen. And next, here I have taken ni of integer type in order to store some values and in order to index for particular numbers. I have taken n comma I. Next, here I have taken sum equal to 0 as a temporary variable. And next, here as soon as I am going to enter, I am going to take a positive integer from keyboard. That's why here I have written printf statement, enter a positive integer. As soon as I entered a positive integer, I have to take it from the screen, from the keyboard. That's why here I have written a scanf statement. And next, here for I equal to 1, I am checking I am performing a sum of all natural number operation. That's why here I have taken a for loop condition, and I have to print the sum of all numbers from 1 to n. That's why here I have taken a condition in the for loop. That's why I value initialized as 1, I equal to 1. Here I equal to 1 and I less than or equal to n. I am printing the sum of all natural numbers from 1 to n. That's why I equal to 1 and I less than or equal to n, and just I am printing the I++. That's why here, why? Because here I want to print the all natural numbers. That's why I am incrementing the I value. Next, here I am just adding all the sum of numbers. That's why here I put a condition as sum plus equal to I. Sum plus equal to I. Here by using this condition, I am adding the all the numbers which index from 1 to n. And next, here just I am printing the sum of numbers onto my output screen, and just simply quits. Here the return statement simply returns the value. Why? Because here main method is of type integer type. That's why here I am returning the value. After comparison execution of the program, I got this output. You can observe the output on right side of my program. Here I have entered a positive integer 5 and the sum is 15. Why? Because 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 15. That is why the sum is printed on my output screen after compilation executing the program. And this is the way to add sum of all natural numbers in C programming language. And my next program is here. I am just find the number here. If I am entered a number from the keyboard, I am just find if the entered number is even or odd. I am just checking that condition. If the entered number from the keyboard is even number or odd number, I am just checking the condition. Then how to write the logic for the code, for the logic. How to write the logic, whether to check whether the entered number is even or not. How to check that condition. Here I have included basic header files, and here I have taken main method which is of type void type, and next here I have taken number which is of integer type. Next I am printing the statement enter any number onto my output screen. Next here scanf statement, I have done scanf statement, and the number I am taking from the keyboard. That's why here percentage is specified here, and next here I am checking the condition. I am checking the condition. Number percentage 2 equal to 0. Here this percentage 2, here this modulus 2 specifies the only even numbers. This is the condition. If the number entered from the keyboard successfully divisible by 2, that means after the entered number from the keyboard successfully divisible by 2 and got the remainder as 0, then that number is an even number. Then simply print a message onto output screen, enter number is even number. If not, that means else, then simply print a message, enter number is odd number. That's why here I have put a condition as this is the main condition for this program. If the number modulus 2 equal to 0, if this satisfies the condition, then simply display this message onto output screen. Otherwise, simply display the entered number is odd number onto my output screen. Here first of all I have entered 7 as my number. That's why here the printed as entered number is odd number. Why? Because 7 is a odd number. Next here I have taken enter in number. That's here I have entered 8 as my number, and here the compare printed as entered number is even. Why? Because 8 is an even number. Here 8 modulus 2 is successfully divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0. That's why the entered number is even number printed as my output on the output screen. So this is about how to find whether entered number is even or not. And next here I have written a program on multiplication table up to 10. So I want to generate a multiplication table up to 10 numbers. How can I generate a multiplication table for 10 numbers? So with the help of a C program, I am going to generate multiplication table for any number between 1 to 10. Suppose I want to enter a number 4 from keyboard, then it should be display the multiplication table for the 4 on my output screen. That is the main thing, that is the main importance of my program. Here I have included the basic header files, stereo.h and conio.h. Next here I have taken main method, which is of void type. That means this main method hasn't written any value. Next here I have taken a clear screen for output, clearing output. And next here I have taken n, I in order to represent the integer and in order to index the values. That's why here I have taken n, I. And next here by using this printf statement I am entering the integer between 1 to 10. So this printf statement asks me to enter an integer between 1 to 10. Why? Because I am going to display multiplication table for the numbers between 1 to 10. That's why here this printf statement asks me to enter the integer between 1 to 10. And next here by using this statement I am entering that integer onto my output screen. And next by using here I have taken a for loop, and the I value should be initialized at 0. Why? Because I want to check the condition. I want to display multiplication table between 1 to 10 numbers. That's why here I value taken at 0 as initialized value. And next here I less than or equal to 10. That means I want to display multiplication table for 10 numbers. That's why I value is less than or equal to 10 condition I have written here. And next here I value incrementing up to 10 numbers. And next here I have printed a printf statement multiplication table. Next here I am printing statement onto my output screen. The multiplication table for these numbers is just I am printing the statement onto my output screen. Here the condition is mentioned as %t star %t. This specifies n, I. That is the value. Here you can observe the output. This value represents the integer value 9, and this is the index value, and this is the multiplication. This is the multiplication value of n, I. That's why here I am printing n value, I value, n into I multiplication value. Here This 9 represents the n value, this 0 represents the I value, that means index value, and this 0 represents the product of this I value and n value. Here, after compiling execution of the program, I have entered a number 9, and after pressing enter, displays the output as like this. Here, first of all, I value, I have entered 9 as my integer. That's why here performing the operation. This is the 9 value, and this is the 0 value, and this is the n star a value. This is the way I got the output multiplication table for the 9. You can too get the output for the same program. You can get the multiplication table for any value between 1 to 10. Why? Because here I am going to generate only multiplication table those numbers which are entered from the keyboard between in the range or in between the values in between 1 to 10. That's why here the values are printed on my output screen. I have entered 9 as my value, integer value from the keyboard, and as soon as I press enter, this simply make message on my output screen. So this is a simple program on how to generate multiplication table up to 10 numbers. This is a simple program to generate multiplication table up to 10 numbers. So these are the different types of programs: how to find the sum of all natural numbers, and how to find whether the number is even or not, and the next one is the how to generate multiplication table between the numbers entered from for any number entered from the keyboard, and those numbers are in between 1 to 10. These are the 3 different types of program. Hope you all understand the logic behind the program. Try to understand the logic behind the program, then only you may able to answer the interview questions and may able to write the software programs easily with the logic. Try to understand the logic. So in this section, I am going to provide the remaining topics. I am going to provide a remaining logic program. So try to subscribe my channel Jairam Tallapati and like my videos. Thank you and all for watching. Thank you all.